On 14 August 220, I lost my father. This video is dedicated to him as I was not tell him about my channel. He was great businessman and he always used to say us time is very important. So in this situation also I don't want to stop. I want to follow my path and I am continuing my channel. Words are not show my feeling toward him. But at last I want to pray God may his soul live peacefully.
Today I will discuss about the idea of real number system. Real numbers are one of the most basic foundation of mathematics. What is real number? Real numbers are elements of a set and denoted by R.
Real numbers has three properties. One, algebraic properties, which is called field action. Two, order properties. Three, completeness properties. Just
Let's look at this property. First go through the algebraic properties. What is algebraic property? Here are two binary operations, addition and multiplication. At first, take two real numbers AB and their addition A plus B also belongs to R and their product AB also belongs to R. These properties satisfies some properties and together with these properties, this axiom is called field axiom. Of course, all these properties come across some context of others. But since we will discuss about real number system, so real number system is together with both properties. First of all, let us start addition. And first start with addition properties. And start first property is associative property. What is associative property? If we take three real numbers A, B, C belongs to R such that A plus B plus C, this should be same as A plus B plus C. This should happen for all A, B, C belongs to R. The first property followed by all natural number system. Real number also satisfies this property. So, there is no distinguish between real number and natural number. The next property will be distinguish between real number and natural number. What is the next property? Here 1, 2. The next property, A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A. This should happen for all A belongs to R. And this property is called identity property. These properties distinguish between R and natural number. Third property is for all A belongs to R, there exists B belongs to R such that A plus B equal to 0 equal to B plus A. This is called existence of inverse property. any set which satisfy these three properties is called group, which we will say later. So R plus is a group. This is one example of group. There are one more properties. This property is commutative property. What is commutative property? A plus B equal to B plus A for all AB belongs to R. These properties distinguish between real number and natural number, but not distinguish between real number, integer, rational number, etc. So Z plus, also C plus, C means complex number, all are group. All are not only group, all are abelian group. Alright? Okay. Now let's look at the second properties, multiplication. That is also associative. What is associative? A dot BC equal to, this is same as ABC. This should be happen for all ABC belongs to R. This property is called associative property. With multiplication. Now I want to say how these two operations, means addition and multiplication, related to each other. A dot B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Again, this should happen for all A, B, C belongs to R. This is called distributive property. This property 5, this 6, sorry, this 4, 5, 6. This 6 property is called ring. Have you understood? There is so many another ring, but R plus dot is one of the example of ring. The ring has extra property. This property is commutative property. What is commutative property? AB equal to BC. This should be happen for all ABC belongs to R. Not only real number, Z also satisfy this property. So Z also commutative ring. Not all ring are commutative, but R plus dot is a commutative ring. Next property is identity property. Not all ring has identity with respect to second operation, means multiplication. But with respect to second operation, R has a identity element. What is the identity element? There exists 1 belongs to R such that 1 dot A equal to A equal to A into 1. This is same as for all A belongs to R. With respect to multiplication, 1 is denoted here identity element. Similarly, I want to say the inverse property with respect to second operation mean multiplication. We cannot say every element has inverse. Yes, we cannot say every element has inverse, but every element other than 0 has a inverse. What is the inverse property? This is the commutative property. This is identity property. And inverse property is for all A belongs to R with A not equal to 0, there exists B belongs to R such that AB equal to 1 equal to, which is same as BA. Here B is the multiplicative inverse and this inverse is here unique. This is the inverse property. Look at this property clearly. You can see the last property is not true about Z, right? So there is distinguish between R, Z and natural number, but there is no distinguish between Q. So I can say also not only Q, also C. So I can say with these properties, multiplication and addition, R plus dot is a field. Have you understood? And real number system is only system which has all properties. Alright, the next property is order properties. In R. What is order property? Given any two objects A, B in R, then either A less than B or B less than A or A equal to B. Let AB belongs to R, either A less than B or B less than A or equality A equal to B. This is the first order property. Second is very important, and the second property is if AB greater than 0 and their product and sum also greater than 0. If AB greater than 0, then their product AB will be greater than 0 and their sum A plus B also will be greater than 0. And the third property is if A less than B or B less than C, that imply A less than, if A greater than B or B greater than C, that imply A greater than C. This is the order properties in R. If any field which satisfy this property is called order field. If any field which satisfies three properties is called order field. So R plus dot is an order field. It is a well-known property. But complex number does not satisfy this property. So complex number is a field but not order field. Next property is order completeness property. What is this property? This property is every non-empty subset of R that is bounded above has LUB, that means supremum. What is LUB? What is supremum? I will discuss in my next video. Just wait. Just see what is the completeness property. This is the distinguish between R and rational number. Every non-empty subset of rational number which is bounded below has not any supremum. This is the distinguish between R and rational number. And order completeness property which satisfy this also. This is called order complete field. So R plus dot is order complete field. I will discuss this briefly in my next video. See you soon. Bye.